Tell me where the freak's at.
I'm a good boy. So, hey guys, Big Ben Motor Vlogs here. How is everybody doing? So you join me down at Slatty Beach, and that is the Coastal Path Cafe over there. I hope you like that little segment, and I hope you are excited as I am to have an SC Project exhaust. So, are you wanting a proper look and proper sound, see what it's like? I've moved my mic as well, so it's up now by my cheek rather than a little bit further down in the helmet. So it does actually produce a bit of better sound as well. So be ready. The bike is a little bit dirty. I'm giving it a wash after this. So, be ready? Let's have a look. Yes, if you follow me on Twitter, when I was looking at this bike first, this was the exhaust that I wanted to get. I wanted to get the SC Project exhaust. So this is the Conic, obviously 2-in-1. And there's none of this curly, not like the Acura that I got. None of this curly stuff underneath. It's one straight pipe through. Now you're thinking, Christ, you know, you've spent what, 600 quid on that Acura. You've now going to spend another 600-700 quid because that's the price of these SC Project exhausts. Because they're made in Italy and they're shipped from France, they're expensive. But no, where I found this exhaust, I was so I'm going to sit down before going out, going to a meal. And I was looking through the MT-07 Owners Club. Now, if you've got an MT-07 and you're not joined that club, have a look on Facebook. They're on there, they're on Instagram as well. So go and have a look on there. But have a look on it. And one of the members was selling his bike. And this is the exhaust that he was selling with it. And the price that I paid? 380 quid. And look how awesome it does look. Just looks stunning. Really good condition. Really good condition. Easier to put on than the Acura. It took a little while to get the Acura off because there was a couple of different mounting brackets and things I had to take back off. But it's simple as, and everything fits so nicely. And this exhaust does actually have a difference in the sound between Baffle in and Baffle out. Because some exhausts, if you put Baffle in, you go, well, what was the point of putting Baffle in? But this changes the note of the exhaust completely. Now this exhaust in high range, in high revs, it's really high pitched and it sounds really nice. Compared to the Acura that is deep in higher revs, but this is more of a higher pitched. So obviously you want to hear what it sounds like, don't you? Obviously you do. So like I said, SC Project, this is the Conic 2-in-1. And this is just the standard pipe with a carbon tip. And there is other versions as well. There's the SC1, there's lots of different ones, but this is the Conic 2-in-1. So should we give it a bit of a start-up? Now again, you can tune the bike if you want to. It does feel freer with Baffle out, but obviously it's a hell of a lot louder. So, SC Project, Conic 2-in-1, Baffle in. So let's give it a give it a test, a start up, shall we? So still got quite a nice rumble when you start it up. Let's give it a bit of a walk away test, see what kind of noise we're getting. Yeah, ain't too shabby like. Let's give it a rev, shall we? Sounds nice, eh? Eh? Why do I add A in? Sounds nice, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay. When you're on the bike, it's quite a mellow sound. It's not in your face sound. It doesn't have the acro grunt. Gives them welly. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Can't hear a great deal of it, but it's such a nice noise when you get high into the rev range. Alright then, so that was the SE Project Conic 2-in-1 Baffle in. So I'm now going to show you Baffle out. Hooligan time next. Hooligan time. Just talking to that nice old man. Talking about BSAs and stuff. I don't know. Anyway. Hooligan time. This is now the SE Project Conic 2-in-1 Baffle out. You can see now there's a decently big hole in here. I can kind of fit 2 fingers in if you want to know the size of the exhaust. It's 2 fingers. 3 at a push, but it's 2. Why am I doing that? I don't know. But easy to take the baffle out. Baffle is here. Let me show you quickly. It was hot, that's why I put it on the floor. So this is the baffle. It's a decent baffle, because sometimes you have a little thing there and you're like, what the hell is that going to do? But this is a decent baffle, you know, it's hand size, easily. And you can see that's got to stop a decent amount of sound, isn't it? A decent amount. But yeah, maybe using it, may not be, but for this test, I'm not. Okay, should we turn it on? No, I haven't had any problems with this so far. It's loud. It's a little bit hooliganish, but it's loud. Should we? Let's try it on. But it's a nice deep throaty sound. So nice. Should we give it a bit of a rev? Even just that little like oof. What I forgot to do was actually do the walk away test. I'll do that now. Nice. It is a refined noise, it's a nice noise, you know? We'll give it one blast up, shall we? Yeah, come on then. Stand still rev, shall we? Ooh. Okay. Now this is what I've been using it as. ready for the Stelly. Put it in third this time. Oh yes. It's such a high pitched noise, it's lush. Absolutely lush. Bubble, 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 toil and trouble. Sounds so much different. Okay, so 6th test. 6th. Oh, that sounds horrible. Oh, that sounds horrible. Sorry, this is funny. This is so funny. Oh, the warm engine, it pops so lovely. I hope you can pick up those pops. They're stunning. What are my thoughts? Does this get a recommendation off me? Hell yes. If you want a performance exhaust that's generally quiet with baffling, SE Project. Yes, if you want an exhaust that creates hell but it's not hooligan, it's not like no exhaust, SE Project a mile away. It's just so awesome, you know, it creates more pops and bangs than my Acura did Baffle out. It probably creates that more pop and bangs because that it's a straight pipe like that. If it didn't probably have the straight pipe, and I don't think it would have that amount of pops and bangs in it. But you know, I can't say that much more, but it's just an epic exhaust. It 100% gets my recommendation. 110% gets my I didn't notice I left that on. 110% gets my recommendation to buy. If you can find them cheap enough, get one, because it is epic. Epic among proportions. You know that it pops a lot because of the amount of black that's in here. You know it pops a lot. But I hope the mic picked that up. I hope you enjoyed my little reveal. What I'm doing with the video title, I'm just going to say new mod reveal, MT-07, and then in a day, so whenever I upload it, a day after, I'm going to change it to the proper title, which is the SE Project Sound Check and Review. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of this exhaust, and if you had the option to, would you get it? But thanks very much for watching, guys. I love doing exhaust reviews, as you can tell. I love doing them so much. I hope you enjoyed watching. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.
My precious.
Yes, that was supposed to be Gollum, by the way.